Hi, I'm Bianca, and I'm here to teach you guys some of my favorite tips to keep your home squeaky clean with the help of Scotch-Brite Brand. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a checklist. It helps me stay organized, and that way I can do everything I need to do in order. So the first thing I'm going to do is make cleaning solutions. We're going to start by making our own cleaning solution. It's natural, it's cheap, and it's easy. And the first thing we're going to be using is some water. And our next ingredient is Castile soap. Next we're going to add some scent. I'm using lavender here. It's very relaxing and helps you calm down after a nice day of cleaning. Next what we're going to do is make an oven degreaser. And for that we're going to use some water, some vinegar, and essential oils. This time we're going to give a fresh lemon scent. And we're going to use some baking soda as well, which will help activate the vinegar. And then to clean everything, we're going to be using our Scotch-Brite non-scratch scrub sponge. Alright, now we're ready to clean the kitchen. One of my tips is to start from the top down, that way everything goes off the counters onto the floor and you can sweep it all up in the end. We're going to start by cleaning the oven. First thing we're going to do is sprinkle some baking soda. And once we got that down, we're going to take our solution we made earlier and spray it all over. I'm going to let that settle for a little bit, and while I do that, I'm going to go and start cleaning the countertops. Now that my oven degreaser is working its magic, we're ready to get it start on these counters. I'm going to take the solution that I made earlier and give this a good spray. And once that's down, I'm going to take my Scotch-Brite non-scratch scrub sponge and give it a wipe down. Now that my countertop is all clean, I'm going to go back and wipe down my oven. And just like that, we have a squeaky clean oven. We cleaned up everything on the top and on our counters, and now we're at the bottom, the baseboards. What I'm going to need for that is my cleaning solution, my sponge, and some dryer sheets. First I'm going to spray my sponge a few times, and then we're going to go and get this one good wipe and get everything off here. Get this super clean in these crevices here, and be sure we're getting the front as well. And once we're all clean there, to make sure it stays clean, we're going to grab a dryer sheet and just give it a quick wipe. This helps it from getting dirty again, and it also smells super nice. We take our handy little duster set and sweep all this up. And just like that, I can check the last item off my list. And that's everything for a clean kitchen. Thank you for following along with all my tips, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.